Experience in my life. One of the best experience I have ever had was when my niece was born. I haven't forgotten that moment because it was very special for me. I love my niece, but I haven't shared time with her. Another experience was when I passed my university test. In the university, I have already learning many things. Also, I have no wonderful friends. Another experience was when I went to my grandparents' house 2 years ago. My grandma taught me to cook some traditional dishes, but I haven't cooked very well yet. Neither I haven't learned to drive a car yet. I hope to learn soon. Finally, I haven't taken a trip yet. I would like to visit many places of Ecuador on my next vacation. Thank you.